point. Congratulations, guys.
We're going to Gatorland Zoo.
I'm going to Gatorland Zoo. So, do you think the door will be alright if we just leave it like that?
Yeah.
I mean, leave it around that, but we'll probably lock it.
Exactly, yeah.
Alligators eating dead chicken. The raccoon, I spotted it. It's on top of that house.
He does look cute, doesn't he? He's like a little robber.
Same as me. I look cute. He's like he's like I'm ready for you. And it's just gonna come. Oh, look at it moving. It looks like it's going to go in its mouth.
Those boys make a lot of noise. This is the swamp off, no climbing on anything.
Oh, but there's one right here. No, in the water. It's the closest I've ever been to an alligator.
Well, that bird's just stood on it.
I think.
Too good. Come on, let's try this a different way. Everyone give me a great big howdy. There we go. Welcome back here to Gatorland's Cracker Style Gator Wrestling Show. As soon as they put their nose in the water, the gator would jump out, grab their nose, pull them in, and eat them right there on the spot. And the boss doesn't like that too much because that's his money getting eaten away. Since we were cheaper than the cattle, he told us to jump in there and wrestle out the alligators so it was safe for his cattle to drink. And that's where we got Gator Wrestling.
Man, want to stall?
I can. Ladies, Joe's single. He likes long walks on the beach. He's 24/7 at the gym.
What are you doing, man?
Helping you out. Spend too
How?
much time on Tinder. Figure this is easy.
I'm done with those dating sites, man.
All right, well,
Say hi to your sister for me.
So there's about 10 or 11 alligators in here. They all range from like, I don't know, 7 to 8 feet, probably weigh between like 100 and 200 pounds. I know that really doesn't seem like too much weight, but alligators are pure muscle. These things are 90% muscle. And Joe is 90% muscle milk.
What? Alright. That's enough from you. I got this one by the tail. Now we'll pull him up on the sand. Alright, so on count 3, we'll get him up here.
1, 2.
No, hey, wait. I got the tail. I'll start the counting. Besides, anyone visiting from New York or New Jersey?
Yeah.
Alright, see, we gotta count slow. Alright, so I'm from New York myself, alright? So count 3. 1,
2, 3, 4.
Keep counting. Here we go.
5.
Here we go. Woo! show is over. Thanks for coming. Alright, so first thing we should do, I guess, is get on the back. Look, this is how you walk your dog in Florida. Howdy, dear. No, don't go back in. Alright, I guess we'll just kind of go for it. It's a little tough on this sand. Alright, I landed on him.
Yeah, now what?
Looks like we're going this way. No, don't go back in there. He's gonna go back and get some friends. No, stay. Alright, close the sun with the teeth, I guess. Alright, I'll turn him around. Show you guys inside the mouth. Stupid things to do in Florida for minimum wage. That wasn't a joke. Alright, let's see if we can turn around. Everyone's like, why don't you wrestle the big 12-footers? I'm just like, hey, why don't you shut up? Alright, there we go. Can you guys see now? Awesome. Glad you're happy. Alright, so this time I'll show you guys something different inside their mouth. Something else that's pretty cool about them. Alright. Now look in the back part of the throat. You see the pink flap of skin there? That's called the epiglottis. It stops water from rushing in and drowning him. Whew. Okay, we're done with the mouth. If you missed that, well, come back later. Danny can show you.
Picture of do you not take the snake?
Congratulations, guys. And take the chicken directly from your hands, guys. Oh, they're climbing all over each other on the Cooter side. Put aside, they're scooping and killing the jump. That was an amazing jump, and it felt of his face hole. It's crazy. Guys, keep the energy up. Keep yelling jump. Keep Cooter completely quiet. Tell him to go. You guys can't yell mayonnaise. You can't yell dim sum if you really want to, guys. It's the noise that makes the alligators move, guys. Keep it.
What do we get in this cup?
Well, we didn't have to pay any more for it, otherwise you wouldn't have got the cup.
So we do 3.
Came with your kids' meal.
Okay, 3 chicken. Where's William? It's going!
this. If you guys are afraid of stuff, raise your hands. Afraid of stuff. Alright, thank you for your honesty. Alright, we'll get. Alright, here, face the audience here. Yep, now put both hands up like this. What hand do you write with? Put that down. You need that later in life. Yeah, now close your eyes. Yep, keep them closed. Now, Scott, he's actually going to hold up some cue cards for the audience. You're here, who's and us, but don't worry about it. It's nothing usually. So, just keep those eyes shut, and Scott will come on down. Let's see if we can see you. Alright, does anybody know what that is? Well, yeah, it's a snake, it's not a turtle. Yeah, I think I heard it. It's a copperhead. Now, these snakes here in Florida, they don't get very big at all, which is pretty cool, but yet that helps them stay pretty hidden on the marshes and stuff that we get here in Florida. Now, he has all those cool colors on him. He's got the orange, some tan, all those colors. Like I said, all those will help him stay very camouflaged out in the wild. Now, he is venomous. He is pretty potent, but I mean, here in Florida, being a native snake, they got all the antivenoms and all that stuff. You'll be fine as long as you go right to the hospital. But still, not something you want to mess with. But they do actually account for a lot of the snake bites here in Florida because you usually don't see them. They stay pretty hidden. Then people end up stepping on them. So if you step on a snake this size, where's it going to bite you? Yeah, for the angle. So what's the worst kind of footwear to wear in Florida? Yeah, sandals and flip-flops. Who's wearing sandals or flip-flops? You're all going to die. Die? What? Hey, I don't know how to use chopsticks.
Anybody know what it is? It is a rattlesnake. Very good. This is a timber rattlesnake, one of the 6 venomous snakes here found in Florida. This guy is found more towards the northern area, down by the pines. They love hiding in vegetation and underbrush. These guys eat a lot of rabbits, rodents, and stuff like that. With all these nice, cool colors, they can stay nice and camouflaged. Unlike the other snake, they have a cool adaptation though. Right there on the tip of the tail, you notice that's his little rattle. And that's to warn either you or maybe something else that's getting too close that, hey, better back up. And if you end up getting too close, they are going to bite you. And like you heard earlier, they will end up hitting you in the foot, maybe the ankle or the leg. So you don't really want to, pay attention. But if you hear that rattle, the only thing is it's probably going to sound like a bug. So you're probably going to keep on going and you might accidentally step on it. Or if you're doing something dumb, you're like, hey, look, I'm going to get a picture with him. He's going to get you. Hit you a show.
No, I'm not going to do anything stupid as that snake, man. Oh, come on, man. Do something smart and put that thing away, okay?
Alright.
Yeah, put that thing away. We have time for one more box. Keep this thing down, so just be careful of the horns. They're kind of sharp. And, just all you gotta do is not touch any of the tentacles.
Oh, what?
Well, as you go, wait, don't touch the blue one.
What? What does that do?
You're gonna get pregnant.
What?
Right, are they cheating? How about now?
Oh my god.
It's still kind of branch. Alright, here we go. There we go. That thing is big. Alright.
There we go.
Now, out of this thing, don't squeeze that in. That's how my teeth will bite.
And don't squeeze this in because it squirts.
That's what it's aimed up at it, too. Alright, so does everyone know what they're holding? Yeah, it's a python. This one's a regular Burmese python. Third largest snake in the world. They get like 18 to 20 feet long, nearly a couple 100 pounds. It is a constrictor. It constricts its prey. It swallows it whole. It's non-venomous. By having a small head like that, you think it eats all smaller prey stuff, but they actually separate that bottom jaw, and they'll eat stuff 5 to 10 times the size of their own head.
Dude, 5 to 10 times the size?
Yeah, 5 to 10.
And I've already been.
It's not that kind of show. Everyone look forward and smile.
And let's give it another round of applause, guys.
call him Tom, we'll call him.
Alright, man. You can stay sitting down the way that you are right now.
This is a white, there's a yellow stripe. And now crocodiles.
Really, it's a joke.
I think it was your name. Maybe alligator was really small. It's American alligator. Yeah, very small things. Remember, the actual skin is bigger than this.
We get a pumpkin and just do one and use that to decorate the front of the house.
Just a pumpkin. We get two.
Look at that gag.
I'm gonna get one of these. Exactly. Oh, the car was Just include the hood. But doesn't it now? Do you think it looks cool?